Another thing to think about when changing chords is how you can move fingers together in an easier way. So say, for example, I've got these chords here: D minor, G, C, A minor. What can I do to make these shapes change from one to another using some easier finger movements, let's say? So I'm going to go and play a D minor 7 here, for example. This frees up my third finger, and I can move to a different type of a G, slightly different than the main shape, which is going for the 3-finger shape. This gives me a lot more time to do this change, right? Fewer fingers, and also the third finger is free. And then from this G, I can go to a normal C, because these 2 fingers again move at the same time. That's the idea here. And then I can just get rid of this finger and easily play an A minor 7. I don't even have to go to an A minor, so I can just go for this shape. And then what this does is it helps me to just move these down on the repetition for the D minor 7. So I'm kind of grouping fingers 1 and 2 together, and 2 and 3 as much as possible. So these are all things to think about before you even start playing the chord progression. Now let's do a little example for that and practice it better. Let's go. 3, 4. Excellent. Let's check it out. So D minor 7 with a down, 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 up. So okay, we've got 8ths and 16ths at the end. Down, 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 up. And then we're going to move on to the G, which is a little different. So one less downstroke. What's this now? This is down, 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 up. Similar now, rhythm, these 2 bars repeating, but with different chords. So we're going to the C with again, down, 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 up, to the A minor 7. And same thing we did now for what? For the G chord. That's down, 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 up. Let's put everything together and notice the right hand now. 3, 4. Great. So what happens here? Like I've said before, study the chord change and the transition, because a lot of the times you might not even have time to look at what's happening at the left hand or the right hand, you know, or either of those. So try to practice them separately, then put it all together, and keep in mind that the fingers need to be moving together in specific places, as we've mentioned. Let's go ahead and play this chord progression one more time, and here we go. 3, 4. Excellent. Good luck with this. I'll see you in the next video.